here we go. GameStop. Let's go over those cash flows. Going for $26 right now. It broke 27 this morning. If it could hold that, sucks for the shorts. Anyways, $12 billion market cap. Let's check out that cash flow statement today. So we're in Seeking Alpha, financials, cash flow. Let's go ahead and let's take a look at the quarterlies real quick. And we'll go ahead and put in all these numbers already into the spreadsheet. And here we go, guys. So we exported everything from Seeking Alpha and we put it into the spreadsheet. We are going to be looking at free cash flow per share, cash flow from operations, and also net income. Let's go ahead and take a look at the improvements year over year. This is quarterly data and see how GameStop is doing. Free cash flow per share, everyone. We'll start with that. Posting 36 cents in quarter 4 of 2024 versus negative 6 cents. That is a huge gain, 700% year over year. Huge improvements in their free cash flow per share. Remember, guys, in the long run, a stock's price will go up depending if the free cash flow per share is also going up. And right now, there are some huge improvements on the free cash flow per share. Next up, we have cash flow from operations, posting 162 million. Quarter 4 of 2023, posting negative 11 million. So this is a huge jump, 162 million. That is up 1,575% year over year. Cash flow from operations. And lastly, take a look at net income. For the past 7 quarters, they've improved year over year. Their operations have been better pretty much ever since Brian Cohen has taken over. 7 quarters of year over year growth on net income. Latest one, they posted 131 million versus 63 million. That is up 108% year over year. And look at the previous gains in quarter 3 and quarter 2 of 2024, up over 600% year over year. GameStop is not a meme stock anymore. This is starting to look like they could become a growth company soon. But huge improvements in their cash flow statements. All right, so when we go into Seeking Alpha, remember, guys, they don't post any earnings calls. GameStop doesn't do any earnings calls. The last one they did was quarter 4 of 2022. There hasn't been a way for them to really sort of update their investors, kind of post these little videos so I could just update you guys on what's happening year over year, some fundamental analysis, etc., etc. But anyways, let's go ahead and cash flow statement again, and we'll do annual, see how the improvements in annual. Take a look at this, guys. So February 2025, pretty much their quarter 4, they posted 131 million. That is the best net income that GameStop has posted for 7 years. And when you take a look at the stock, it's been doing nothing but flat, pretty much. Of course, we all know it's getting shorted, but it is almost time for GameStop to rip faces. GameStop pretty much has no debt, guys. No debt. If you watched the previous video that I made on GameStop, I went through the balance sheets. They currently have 4.7 billion in cash, 1.3 billion in convertible debt that they're going to add on to that 4.7 billion with zero debt. So this company is not a meme stock anymore. They're becoming a giant behemoth. Free cash flow per share in 2025, they posted 33 cents. That is the best free cash flow they posted in the past 5 years. If GameStop can keep improving that free cash flow per share, eventually the stock price will follow. And check this out. This is the institutional ownership. In December of 2024, look at that huge jump in institutional ownership. We have a ton of institutional buyers jumping in GameStop. It's not just retail anymore. Institutions are coming in. So you have institutional buying. You also have insiders buying. You have Brian Cohen, president and CEO, who just purchased 500,000 shares. You also have 2 directors purchasing shares of GameStop. So the shorts are running out of time. I think we're getting to a point where Project Rocket is about to happen. Remember, they still haven't announced their Bitcoin purchase. They have all this cash sitting there waiting to get deployed. They are transforming into a holding company. Pretty much we're all anticipating to see what happens with GameStop and the evolution of its business model. I'll keep doing some updates. These are some exciting times for everyone, so definitely give me a follow, subscribe, throw a like in there, and thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next one.